Hey, Jackie, what are you doing? Jack is in the kitchen on Memorial Day weekend, and as you can see, he's just a tad covered in flour. Hey, Jack, if you're happy and you know it, stomp your feet. Can you stomp your feet? Hey, Jack, if you're happy and you know it, stomp your feet. Well, I don't know how happy he is. He was seeming pretty happy, but as you can see, he's been helping Mommy cook some cookies. He is completely covered. Oh, Mr. Man. Hi.
Are you all done? Are you all done? Are you all done baking? All done baking?
Yeah, and I'll just show you the rest of the scene here. You can see all over the floor, all the baking ingredients. Oh yeah. Well, okay, Mr. Man. Thanks for helping Mommy cook. Boy, what a mess, Mr. Man. It is everywhere, huh? Can we try it again? If you're happy and you know it, clap your hands. If you're happy and you know it, stomp your feet. Yay! If you're happy and you know it and you're not afraid to show. If you're happy and you know it, bonk your nose. Bonk! Thanks, Jack.
Yay!
Okay, bye-bye.
Say bye-bye.
Bye-bye.